What's up, guys? It's Trauma Titan and Zig. Zig, say hi. Hi, handsome. Okay, just wanted to go over something real fast. I just got home off of work. I was looking on the ERide Pro Reddit. Okay, if you're not part of it, I'd highly recommend checking that out on Reddit, clearly. Why the fuck did I say that? I know it's gonna be fucking Reddit, dude. It doesn't make any sense. Anyways, I was checking out the Reddit and I saw that there are several people who are interested in getting different tires for their ERide Pro. Now, I just want to go over some stuff real fast after doing some research. The ERide Pro manual states that it has different tire sizes stock with the ERide Pro and the ERide Pro SS. So what I would say is that check the site that you bought your bike from, okay? I bought my bike specifically from revrides.com, and they have the updated 2.0 version, which is going to be this bad boy right here. And on revrides.com, they said that it is a 70 by 80 on a 19-inch for the front and an 80 by 100 on a 19-inch on the back for the ERide Pro SS 2.0. If you're not sure what it is, because the manual says otherwise, the manual says an entirely different size, then go ahead and check out your tire, okay? For the front one here, it says 70 by 100 on a 19-inch, okay? And on the back one, let's find out what it is. It says 80 by 100 on a 19. How awesome. So if you're like me and you are looking at some new tires for the bike, I'm specifically looking at the Shinko 241 tires. In 2023, they're rated the best all-around tire for street, all-terrain basically. They look hella nice. I think you look gorgeous on this bike. If you have the ERide Pro SS and you're running the same exact tire setup as I am, 70 in the front, 80 in the back, then let's go over the tire sizes, alrighty? Now, Shinko 241, they measure in inches, and our standard here is millimeters for these tires. So let's go over them, okay? Now, for the front, the bike originally comes with a 70 by 100, 19-inch, and the Shinko 241 tire that matches closely is gonna be the 2.75 by 19, which is approximately 70 millimeters wide, offering a near identical fit to the standard front tire. Let's go ahead and move to the back real fast, yeah? As far as the rear tire goes, the standard back tire is an 80 by 100 by 19 inch. And for this, the Shinko 241 tire that you're gonna wanna do is a 3.50 by 19 tire. It's gonna be a better match as it's almost approximate to the 89 millimeters wide, which is gonna be suitable for that 80 millimeter range here that we have. The size will maintain stability and traction, especially important for the rear tire. Now, I got mine at revrides.com, and where I plan on buying the Shinko 241 tires from is Charged Cycle Works. They have their own YouTube channel. They offer different tire sizes. They offer different tire brands as well. But I think that the Shinko 241s are gonna look the best for this bike. Alrighty? So if anybody has any questions, we'll just go over some stuff real fast. Make sure that you have the ERide Pro SS 2.0 and your tire sizes match the same as mine if you're gonna go off the same. Or if you have the ERide Pro stock, just the general one, make sure you check out your tire sizes, okay? And you're gonna have to calculate that from the inches and convert it to the millimeters. So I hope that was helpful for everybody who is interested in the ERide Pro SS 2.0 and changing out the tires for maybe some Shinko 241s. I do plan on getting mine pretty soon. Hopefully they come in pretty fast here, so that way I can do the next little tutorial on how to change your tires. That'd be awesome.
But honestly, you guys should get the Shinko 241 tires because they're gonna be the best for your bike.
Also, I got the Warp 9 handlebars in white and the Warp 9 pegs in white for this pretty ass bike. Don't know what else to put in white. But if anybody has any suggestions or recommendations, hit that like button and comment in the comment section and I'll check it out. Who knows, maybe I might get something pretty nice for it, huh? Anyways, I hope that all helped. Anybody has any questions, just tag me in something. I'm sure I'll reach out. All right, guys. Peace.